Question 1 of this exercise says, use the bar graph to answer the following questions. Which is the most popular pet? How many students have dog as a pet? Now if we look into the graph, there are 8 students who have dog and there are 10 students who have cat. Similarly, for rabbits, there are 2 students who have rabbit. For hamster, there are 5 students, and for others, there are 3 students. So let's write it. So as we can see that there are 8 students who have dogs, 10 students who have cats, and for rabbits there are 2 students, for hamster there are 5 students, and for others there are 3 students. So as we can see, which is the most popular pet? So as we can see that cat is the most popular pet, as 10 students have cat, which is the most. Now in the next part of the question it says how many students have dog as a pet. So as we can see that there are 8 students who have dog as a pet.
To learn more about how QMath can help you crack school and board exams, explore QMath Leap, a live online classroom program run by highly experienced and committed teachers.